CuriosityStream.com to sign up and start streaming today.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. It's in the current coronavirus pandemic. Just as you can take steps to protect yourself from the virus, AARP believes you can also keep criminals from stealing your money or sensitive information. Protect your health and your wallet by relying only on entities you know and trust for information about COVID-19. And if you aren't sure if a contact is legitimate, call the AARP.